Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Shopify emails. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you're not already, so go right here to shopify.com, and once you open it up, in the upper right corner you're going to go and be able to see the option to log into your account or sign up for one if you do not already have one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page that you're greeted by. From this home page we can get started with setting up our store, and at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections for managing our store. So let's go and take a look at how to use Shopify emails and contact your customers. Basically guys, everything we're going to need is mostly going to be in this section right here that says marketing. You're going to go ahead and open up marketing. As you can see guys, in the marketing campaigns we have all the options we can use for our marketing, and here we have the automations section. This is what you want to open up. By opening up automations, this is going to enable you to automate multi-channel customer journeys. So you're going to go ahead and be able to use these templates right here to go ahead and email your customers if let's say they want to recover an abandoned checkout, where an automated email is already going to be created for you and sent to them. Then you can go ahead and convert abandoned products product wise and so on. You can welcome new subscribers with a discount email, thank you customers after they purchase, and so on. All of that is going to be set upable right here, so you can even go ahead and create a new template or view the templates that have already been done, so you can go ahead and check it out for yourself and get started setting it up for your store as well. So that's how it's done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.